Welcome. Today, we're going to learn a method called substitution to solve systems of equations. It's a powerful tool in algebra, and we'll break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First, what is a system of equations? It's just a collection of two or more equations that share the same variables. The main goal is to find the one specific value for x and y that makes every single equation in the system true. The substitution method involves three core steps. First, you will isolate one variable in one of the equations. Second, you will substitute or plug in the resulting expression into the other equation. And third, you will solve the new equation to find your variables. Let's start with step 1. Here is our system. Notice the first equation, y equals 2x plus 1. The variable y is already isolated on one side of the equation for us. This makes our job easier. It tells us that y and the expression 2x plus 1 are exactly the same. Now for step 2. We take the second equation, 3x plus y equals 11. Since we know y is the same as 2x plus 1, we can replace the y in the second equation with the expression 2x plus 1. This gives us a new equation that only has one variable, x. Time to solve for x. We start with our new equation, 3x plus the quantity 2x plus 1 equals 11. First, combine the x terms. 3x plus 2x gives us 5x now. We have 5x plus 1 equals 11. Subtract 1 from both sides, which leaves us with 5x equals 10. Finally, divide both sides by 5, and we find that x equals 2. We're halfway there. We know x equals 2. To find y, we can plug our value for x back into the equation where y was already isolated. That was y equals 2x plus 1. Replacing x with 2, we get y equals 2 times 2 plus 1. This simplifies to y equals 4 plus 1, which means y equals 5. So we have found our solution. X equals 2 and y equals 5. This can also be written as the coordinate point 2, 5. If we were to graph these two equations, this is the exact point where the two lines would cross. It is always a good idea to check your work. To do this, plug x equals 2 and y equals 5 back into both of the original equations. For the first equation, does 5 equal 2 times 2 plus 1? Yes, 5 equals 5. For the second equation, does 3 times 2 plus 5 equal 11? Yes, 11 equals 11. Both equations are true, so our solution is correct.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.